Hello YouTube. How's it going? I came across a program for the computer about roughly 10 years ago, I want to say, and I would appreciate it. Oh, let me start over. I came across a a computer program about 10 years ago, and you can make video games with it, supposedly. You can also make animations with it and 3D graphics. And I would like to ask some people to help me make a video game in Blender. I could probably do it myself, but it would take years for me to do it. And I don't want to just make any video game. I want it to be unique, like not something someone else has done, or not even an idea branching off of what someone else has done. Original, I should say. But yeah, if you live in Omaha, Nebraska, and you want to help me out, if you don't even have to want to help me out with Blender. If you just need somebody to talk to, or if you need a friend, I'm always willing to help out with something. If you need something done around the house, I'll help you out. And I'll leave on that note. If it, sorry, have a great week, have a blessed life, and God bless you.